Well, I want to give my personal congratulations to a great Canadian, Steve, who took my dice, and he's been finally recognized for the great work that he's been doing for many, many years. 25 years to become an overnight sensation, but that's a long time to wait to become an overnight sensation, but it's well deserved. And I really suggest you check out the Who Took My Dice channel. I've been a fan for just a short while. For what I've seen, I'm amazed, amused, and it's just awesome what Who Took My Dice is doing. And now he's got some international recognition for all the hard work. Give it up for Steve.